Hello! So today I am going to show you my recipe for one of my favorite drinks, and that is painkiller. I know how a lot of people have different ideas about it, but I'm going to show you mine. Mine's more of a tiki drink. So let's get to it. First off, you're going to want 1 ounce of creme de coconut or cream of coconut. This stuff is really thick, so you have to kind of shake it a little bit, but 1 ounce. Into my little shaking jar. After that, we are going to do, and my recipe, I actually blend the two juices together. So it's orange juice and pineapple juice. I don't personally blend it, but I do simply orange with pineapple. So I use this stuff. It kind of saves you a little bit of money if you don't want to buy 2 juices. So 5 ounces orange juice and pineapple juice. Get my camera switched around here. There we go. What I like to do is kind of use the side with the creme de coconut. That way I can get a lot of that flavor out of the jigger because it is pretty thick. So 1, 2, you cannot see. Okay. I'm gonna switch it around some more. There you go. Oh my gosh, sorry. So 3, 4, and 5. This is a very simple recipe. Anybody can do it with pretty much anything. So with that, this is probably my favorite rum as of to date. I usually drink Captain, but I actually got Plantation 5-year. So it's aged 5-year Plantation. Excellent rum. Just the flavor profile is very good. So 2 ounces Plantation rum. 1, 2. And that should get a lot of that from the coconut out. And then what I'll do is grab some ice. Once again, I have to move you. I'll grab some ice and I'm going to crack some ice into that. Or spoon. This is very good. There we go. 1. I usually crack 2 ice cubes. 2. Okay. Now I am just going to shake this. Again, since I don't have my bar shakers, I'm just using a little mason jar. Pretty much the same thing. Got your ice in there. That's going to mix it, and you got your all the other ingredients. So after that, I'm going to strain it so you don't get any of the ice. And I've got my little cup, and we're straining this. beautiful 7-ounce drink, and let's taste it. It's so good. You get that nice coconut flavor in there. You definitely get the orange and the pineapple with that rum. The rum, again, fantastic. So that is my recipe for painkiller. I will put the description down below. And with that, I am off. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell below to get my notifications. You guys have a good day. So in addition to what I just made, this painkiller is extremely good. It's very, very creamy because of the cream of coconut. That makes it very creamy. It's extremely, I would say it's extremely sweet, but it is on the sweeter side. So if you're not into the sweeter side, you can actually do a little less of the cream of coconut and a little less of the orange juice, pineapple juice. I'll actually tailor down on the sweetness, but this is one that you should all have in your recipe book. All right, with that, thank you for joining, and I will see you later.